It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, a power lift gate where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls and the park brake, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side of the steering wheel has our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have OnStar, the power moonroof buttons, and a place to put your sunglasses. Here we have GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins. To the right of the steering wheel we have the engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. Heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Terrain, we have LED headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the integrated turn signal, black roof rails, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper, remote start, and the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to pop it open. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space. We also have the all-weather liners, cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seats down, a power plug-in, and a deeper storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear fans, the USB ports, and a 120-volt power plug-in on the floor. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we're also able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.